maintaining the log sheet for 5,000 motors, it is nearly an impossible task. So we were faced with this difficulty, as a result of which we were primarily dealing with overgreasing and undergreasing, which resulted in the failure of these motors. With the help of their cutting-edge IIoT Next platform, we were able to develop a system wherein we were able to calculate the prescribed or the exact running of the motors. Earlier, we did not have this kind of a system, and this system has really made a difference to our maintenance procedure, and with the help of the reports that we receive at the end of the night or the start of the day, it has made a lot of difference.
Our customers come to us when they look for a complete solution. It's not only OT or it's not only IT or software. We understand, sensors, communication systems, controllers, cloud systems, analytics, and software. So it's a full stack that we provide to our customers.
We have a capacity of 30 tons production processing, seafood processing per day. We had to automate our plant for proper efficiency of our freezers, and we were looking for a good partner in the market, and we found CONSYST to be apt for our work, and they did an excellent job for us.
One good thing that helped the customers really is by deploying or giving them a mobile application where they can read the temperature values on real time as well as on historical mode, which really benefited them to overcome their operational challenges.